Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to add contextual taskbar or how you can show your contextual taskbar in Illustrator. Like just like what you see right here, this is my contextual taskbar. So if you want to hide this particular contextual taskbar, just come to the window right here and then make sure you check this bar. And with that, contextual taskbar is going to disappear. If you want to show it back, come back to window right here and then make sure you check the contextual taskbar again and you have it right here. Contextual taskbar is a kind of new tool that has been added by Illustrator, which enable you to edit work on the go without navigating or stretching yourself from going from one toolbar to another toolbar. It's that simple. So this is how to hide or show your contextual taskbar in Illustrator software. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.